Hey guys, how's it going? It's a very sunny day today. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here in woodbridge fairground. There isn't a car meet happening over here, if you guys can see. It's not that much cars over here. I don't know, it's so far, but I'm just sitting over here, just waiting, chilling. It's very sunny out here today, so I'm just waiting to all the cars to come and get some shots. So far, only few cars are here. Let's see which car shows up. So right now I'm just going to take a stone because those bikes over there, they need a stone so they can properly put their bike on stand. I think I can get a good stones from here. Uh, this one will do. This one will do. Yeah, I think that's enough. I think I can go and give it to them. Yeah, that guy over there. I like his bike, Harley Davidson. It's a cool classic old bike. Hey, thank you, thank you. No problem. I heard something like they're serving snacks, but I don't know what it is. So I have bikers on that side, And this one is exotic cars, and I have a truck over there, and you have some bikes, and you have music over there. What else you need? வெண்ணிலா வெளிச்சம் கிண்ணத்தில் உடைத்த I think guys, they're doing an music video. It's cool though, nice background. I should have a better camera. Maybe in the future I can get a better camera that I can zoom in. That's okay. I hope you guys can see some. Anyways, that's it. So that's it, guys. So we had music finally. It was really fun. They were doing some dance, and we got all the cars here, bikes. So it was really nice evening. So this is just my personal opinion about this. It's not about the cars. It's not about the music. It's not about the rap. But see all these people over here. They're all happy. That's all about it. The vibes just makes everyone happy. Like, look at the smiles on everyone. I really liked it. So that's it, guys. See you. And if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, man. Okay, bye. See you. Good night and goodbye. Bye. I need to get my bus. I'm so late. Oh, finally, I saw the drone. You see, so close. I was always looking into the drones. Finally, so close drone. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. I don't know whether you guys can see that. Like one, two. There's a drone going all the way over there on that side. I wish I had a drone that I could show you some great footage, but no money, no honey.